Hi friends! So today I'm very excited. We're going to make gift bag banners. I saw something similar online, but they were using like a giant printout, and I saw these at the Dollar Tree and I really liked the way they looked. I saw this one first and bought it, and then I bought this like last year, and then I saw this one this year and I thought that they would go together and they're super cute. What we're gonna do is we're gonna cut them down just one side, and then we have this, I think it's like duck cloth. I got it at Joann's. I'm sure they sell it at other stores too. It's like a thick material. I think you could use like burlap, but I wanted the color. So I'm gonna cut this down and then cut this slightly bigger, and then we're gonna hot glue it and we're gonna attach it using ribbon. And I haven't decided on which color ribbon I'm gonna use. I'm leaning towards this one, but I haven't opened it, so I don't know if this is see-through. If it's see-through, I'm not gonna use it. But I think that would look pretty. It's just a touch of glitter. And then you're going to also use these dowels at the top and bottom to like weigh it down. Maybe just the top. I haven't figured it out yet, but I don't care for this pine color. It doesn't really go in my house, so I'm gonna actually stain these and I'm gonna cut them down. This is 18 inches wide and 25 inches long, so these are 48 inches. So I'm thinking 24, if I cut it in half, 24 inches should be long enough, but I'm not quite sure. So I'm gonna cut them. I'm gonna measure first and then cut them and then stain them, and then I'll come back on here to show you the rest. So I cut these 2 inches, 2 inches, 2 inches, and the top is 4 inches. And I did that because I'm gonna put the dowel in it, and this is obviously the bottom. I kept the nice threading, so I'll do it at the top where I cut it, but I'm gonna fold it over about 1 inch so it'll actually be a 2-inch border all around. Yeah, perfect. So what I'm gonna do is actually go iron these because they're all wrinkly and stuff. So I'm gonna go iron them a little bit. And also I have 2 gift bags. I had enough material to cut for 2. But what I did, instead of just cutting a straight line on both sides, I cut this one and then measured this one just in case if the bag was off slightly different. So yeah. So normally you iron before you cut, and then you might have to iron again. I didn't do it that way, but that's the way you're supposed to do it.